students, welcome to the new session. People in India worship gods, goddesses in many ways, like offering flowers to their sacred idols, performing yagnas, chant holy hymns, etc. You had read about the early hunter-gatherers. We know a little about their religious beliefs from their paintings and burials. Now, let us learn about some religious practices and beliefs of people of the earlier Indian society from the topic Early Civilizations from Class 6 Social Studies. Learning outcomes. You will be able to understand Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilizations. Understand the city planning, economic life, literature, social life, art, religion and trade. Keywords. Civilizations. The stage of human, social and cultural development and organization that considered most advanced. Trade. The action of buying and selling goods and services. Excavations. It is the process of digging into the earth to find and study buried artifacts or structures. Observe the concept map. India has a long history. It has a rich culture and tradition. India is a living museum of the ancient world and its lost civilizations. Until the last century, most historians thought that Indian history began with the Vedic period. The excavations of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa in 1920s pushed back our history by at least 2000 years. They found an excellent and advanced civilization earlier to the Vedic period. It is called Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization. Indus Valley Civilization developed along the rivers Indus and Ghaggar-Hakra. The traces of these rivers are found by the satellite images and other sources. The sites of this civilization spread over more than 1500 places in Punjab, Haryana, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Western Uttar Pradesh, and Maharashtra. They are also found in Afghanistan and in the provinces of Punjab, Sindh, and Balochistan of Pakistan. The Harappan civilization flourished between 2500 to 1700 BC. Civilization is an advanced stage of human society where people live with a reasonable degree of organization, comfort, and can think about things like art and education. City planning. The cities of the Harappan civilization were well planned. They were protected by forts. They had wide roads, public wells. In Mohenjo-daro, the Great Bath, a great tank for public bath was found. There are rooms on all sides. It was used during religious congregations, six large granaries and quarters for laborers were found in Harappan cities. Lothal was a popular harbour in those days. Drainage system. They had a well-planned underground drainage system which shows the importance given to cleanliness and public health. Houses. The Harappan people built their houses with dried or baked bricks. There were two-storied buildings also. Every house had a well for water and bathrooms with pipes that carried waste into the main drains. Economic life. Weaving cotton and woolen clothes were the main occupations. They are credited for growing cotton for the first time. Production of baked bricks was another occupation. They reared cattle, goats, pigs, dogs, camels, and donkeys. They carried out trade activities through the Port Lothal in the Arabian Sea with Mesopotamia. Egypt, Iran, etc. Social life. Both men and women were fond of decorating themselves. Women used ornaments like necklaces, armlets, finger rings, bangles, earrings, nose studs, etc. They knew cosmetics and used perfumes. Food and crops. Agriculture was their main occupation. They grow wheat, barley, peas, lentils, mustard, etc. Entertainment. Dance, chess, music, marbles and dice were their entertainment. Bullfighting was their major entertainment. Children had dolls and toy bullock carts, etc. Art. Small idols of Mother Goddess made of clay have been found in large numbers. The statue of Dancing Girl and the stone idol of the Beard Man are excellent artifacts. Religion. They worship Pashupati, Shiva and Mother Goddess. People and name trees. Sun, fire, earth, water and snakes were also worshipped. Fire pits, Yagnavatikas, are found in Kalibagan and Lothal. The symbols of swastika are most commonly found. Script. Harappans had developed their own unique script and language. The scholars could not interpret it yet. Weights and measures. Harappans were the first to develop a system of standardized weights and measures. The fire-baked bricks were uniform in size. The measurements and weights of Indus people also moved to Persia and Central Asia. Causes of decline. The theory that Aryan invasion was the cause of destruction of the Indus civilization. But it was rejected by Mortimer Wheeler. Archaeologists thought that change in the course of the Indus River and floods led this civilization to decline. And some others believe that the drying up of the Indus River and its tributaries made the people leave this area. And it is now accepted that several factors led to the decline of the Indus Valley civilization. So, in this video, you have learned about the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilizations, including their city planning, economic life, literature, social structures, art, religion, and trade. We will also explore the Vedic period and its significance in the next video. Thank you.